Cutting branches or firewood with traditional tools can be slow, tiring, and not very precise, especially when you don't have enough power. That's why cordless chainsaws have become such a popular choice today. They make cutting faster, easier, and way more comfortable, giving you total freedom without dealing with cords or gas. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best cordless chainsaws available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these chainsaws, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the SEESII M6 Pro cordless chainsaw, a smart choice for anyone who wants a versatile, easy-to-use tool with solid cutting performance in different situations. It's built to handle everyday tasks while still delivering enough power for more demanding jobs around the yard. This model features a 900-watt pure copper motor that can reach speeds of up to 10 meters per second, making it capable of cutting through wood up to 6 inches thick in about 8 seconds. That means faster, smoother cuts without putting in too much effort, even when dealing with thicker branches or tougher materials. One of its standout features is the dual battery system with 4,000 milliamp hours each, giving you around 100 to 120 minutes of runtime. This allows for longer work sessions without constant recharging, and it also includes overload and overheating protection, which helps extend the life of the batteries and keeps everything running safely. It also comes with an automatic lubrication system that keeps the chain properly oiled with just a simple press. This reduces wear, prevents uneven cuts, and improves overall efficiency, so you don't have to worry about constant maintenance while working. Another big advantage is its ultra-lightweight design at around 3.1 pounds, making it comfortable to use even during extended periods. The ergonomic build helps improve control, making it a great option for beginners as well as users who want something easy to handle. For precision work, it includes a 6-inch guide bar ideal for trimming branches, cutting small logs, and reaching tight or awkward spaces where larger tools struggle. On top of that, it's made with high-strength ABS material, making it up to 3 times more durable and increasing its lifespan by about 80%, all without adding extra weight. It also features a complete safety system, including a double safety lock, chain guard, and low kickback design, helping you work with more confidence and better control in any situation. Next up, we have the DEWALT cordless chainsaw, a great option for anyone looking for easy handling and precise control, especially for pruning and working in tight spaces. It's designed to make cutting tasks feel smoother and more manageable, even for less experienced users. This model features a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers close to 2.8 horsepower, giving you steady power and smoother cuts with fewer interruptions. It handles demanding tasks well, while still keeping performance consistent and reliable. One of its biggest advantages is the ultra-lightweight design at just 4.6 pounds, which helps reduce fatigue during longer sessions. That makes it much more comfortable to use, especially when working overhead or handling detailed cuts that require extra control. It also comes with an 8-inch guide bar, perfect for trimming branches, maintaining your yard, or cutting in tighter areas. Its compact size allows for better precision, making it easier to work in spots where larger chainsaws would feel bulky or hard to manage. The compact body, measuring around 22.5 inches long, 11.2 inches wide, and 5.2 inches high, makes it easier to reach tight areas like dense branches or narrow spaces. This adds a lot of versatility for different types of outdoor tasks. Another key feature is the 20-volt battery-powered system, which removes the need for gas or cords. This gives you more freedom to move around and makes outdoor work much more convenient. It also stands out with its ergonomic design, offering a comfortable grip and better control during each cut. This improves safety and makes the tool easier to handle, even if you're new to using chainsaws. On top of that, it runs quietly and without emissions, making it a great choice for residential areas where you want to avoid noise and fumes while working. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the GREENWORKS Pro cordless chainsaw, a powerful option built for those who need strong, consistent performance when tackling demanding outdoor tasks. It's designed to make heavy-duty cutting feel easier, while still giving you control and reliability. This model comes equipped with an advanced brushless motor that delivers up to 2 times more torque, which means faster, smoother cuts even through tougher wood. It also runs quieter and lasts longer, making it a solid upgrade over traditional motor designs. One of its biggest highlights is the 80-volt battery system, providing power similar to a 42 cubic centimeter gas chainsaw. With this setup, it can handle up to 150 cuts on 4x4-inch wood with a single charge, making it a great choice for more demanding jobs around your yard or property. When it comes to cutting capacity, it features an 18-inch guide bar, perfect for cutting larger logs, trimming trees, or preparing firewood. This size gives you the ability to take on bigger projects without sacrificing stability or control. It also includes an automatic oiling system that keeps the chain properly lubricated at all times. This helps improve cutting performance, reduces wear, and allows you to work longer without needing constant maintenance, which is especially helpful during extended tasks. Another great feature is the push-button start, removing the need for gas, pull cords, or complicated setups. This makes it much easier to use even if you're new to chainsaws. On top of that, it offers a tool-free chain tensioning system, allowing you to make quick adjustments safely and easily. Everything is supported by a cordless design compatible with over 75 tools, giving you more flexibility and a cleaner, quieter working experience without fumes or excessive noise. Now let's move on to the TIETOC cordless chainsaw, a lightweight and practical option that makes cutting branches and maintaining your yard much easier. It's built for everyday use, giving you a smooth and simple cutting experience without requiring too much effort. This model features an 880-watt electric motor, strong enough to handle quick and effective cuts on branches up to 6 inches thick. It delivers consistent performance, making daily tasks feel faster and more manageable, even when working with tougher wood. One of its most noticeable advantages is its ultra-lightweight design, at just 3.3 pounds, which makes it very comfortable to use for longer periods. Its compact size also makes it easier to control, making it a great choice for beginners or anyone looking for a tool that's simple to handle. It also comes with a dual battery system rated at 2,000 milliamp hours each, allowing you to work longer without interruptions. These batteries are removable and include overload and temperature protection, helping improve both safety and long-term durability. For precision tasks, it includes a 6-inch guide bar, ideal for trimming branches, shaping bushes, or handling detailed yard work. Its smaller size makes it easier to reach tight or hard-to-access areas where larger chainsaws would struggle. It also features an automatic lubrication system, which keeps the chain properly oiled with minimal effort. This helps reduce wear, improves cutting performance, and saves you from constant maintenance while working. In terms of safety, it includes a safety lock to prevent accidental starts, a protective guard against debris, and a non-slip handle for better grip and control. All of this is combined in a compact cordless design, along with useful accessories like extra chains and a fast charger, making it a convenient and ready-to-use solution for yard work or outdoor tasks. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, let's talk about the SEESII M12 Ace cordless chainsaw, a great option for anyone who wants fast, efficient cutting without dealing with cords or complicated setups. It's designed to make outdoor work easier while still delivering strong and reliable performance. This model stands out thanks to its 1,200-watt brushless motor, which provides smoother cuts with less vibration. That means better control and improved results, even when working with harder wood or thicker logs. It's built to handle demanding tasks while keeping things comfortable and efficient. One of its key strengths is the dual battery system rated at 4.0 amp hours, allowing you to work longer without interruptions. It also includes a battery level indicator, so you always know how much power you have left and can plan your work without surprises. When it comes to cutting capacity, it features a 12-inch guide bar, making it suitable for everything from trimming thicker branches to cutting firewood or preparing wood for home use. This gives it a solid balance between power and versatility for different types of jobs. It also includes an intelligent automatic lubrication system, which adjusts the oil flow based on how you're using it. This helps keep the chain in good condition, reduces wear, and improves cutting performance without constant maintenance. Another important feature is its ergonomic and well-balanced design, with a weight of around 11.9 pounds. This makes it easier to handle during longer sessions, reducing strain on your arms and hands. It also comes with a tool-free chain adjustment system, allowing you to tighten or adjust the chain quickly and easily without extra tools, which adds convenience for everyday use. All of this comes together in a compact cordless design, giving you full freedom to move around. It's perfect for working in your yard, backyard, or remote areas without needing power outlets, making your tasks much more comfortable and efficient. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect cordless chainsaw, or if there's another cordless chainsaw you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, Make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.